guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box to share with you. This one is called Clean Couture, and it is bath items, bath bombs, soaps, that sort of thing. It is based off of a shop that is called Storytime Soaps. So you can go to their website and buy individual items, or you can subscribe to the box. They have a couple different box options. One is just bath bombs, and that's $25 a month. And then they have one with mixed items for $25 a month, and then a mixed item deluxe box for $30 a month. So they sent this to me. I don't even know which one this is yet. Let's find out. And they did say that they are certified cruelty-free, which is always nice. And I think they said they would give me some sort of a discount code for you as well. So definitely make sure you check out the description box for that. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's a little note in here. Here we go. Your viewers can enjoy 20% off their subscription by using coupon code RREVIEW at checkout. Whew, something in here smells good. This is the February box, the Valentine's Day box. This note about how to win a free box, and then this one which has stuff what's inside the box, and then on the back a note. Each month we bring you an important woman in history as a reminder that you can do anything you put your mind to. Oh, that's pretty cool. Anne of Bohemia. And then it has a little thing about who she was. I love that. What a nice little touch. Okay, let's see what's in here. Massage candle. Oh, that smells good. It's kind of like cookies and essential oils. I have no idea. And it's not really labeled as a scent, just a massage candle. All right. Let's see, we've got all kinds of stuff in here. Oh. Ooh, that's some lips. This is Lips Balm Love Spell Dupe. Oh, how funny. It smells berry-licious. That's really cute. My daughter is going to get a huge kick out of that. That's adorable. She's the one who uses all of my bath bombs anyway. I have started taking baths, but she always steals my bath bombs. Shower steamer. Now these ones I love. Menthol and eucalyptus. The last couple of shower steamers I've gotten were not very strong. Like I put them in the shower and I couldn't even tell that they were doing anything. So I'm hoping that this is a good strong one because I do love a good, powerful shower steamer. Oh, this is so cute. Solid bubble bath. Oh, fun. So you break apart under running water. Oh, I've had these like from Lush where you kind of hold it under the running water and break it apart and it creates bubbles. This is really cute. It looks like little cookies. I should be showing you guys better close-ups of these things. I don't want to take it out of the packaging, but I just want to show you that it's like hearts upon hearts. It kind of looks like cookie sandwiches or something. And the lips, super cute, right? Shower steamer is just a little hockey puck looking thing. Massage bars, solid lotion. Oh, I love these kinds of things. You just rub it all over your body and they're super hydrating and wonderful. I think they smell fruity. One more thing in here, pink sugar soap. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. I'll show you the back so you can see it, but here's the label on there. How cute is that? It kind of looks like a cupcake, right? I'm trying to smell everything through plastic. I think this one smells kind of fruity too. How cute! Well, this is a fun box. If you like bath items, this is the box for you. Also, I would suggest checking out their shop because they have lots of fun stuff. And I love that they have a box you can get that's just bath bombs. I think that's a fun idea too. So, you know, if you don't necessarily want the soaps and things, you can just get bath bombs. Yeah, I'm going with my cookies and essential oils. It's an interesting scent. I like it though, I do. It's just one of those like, I can't quite place it, so I'm not sure how to react to it yet. Okay, so thank you Clean Couture for sending me this box. This is pretty awesome. I love that they have a woman in history or woman of note thing. That's really cool. So I will leave all of the information in the description box, links, discount codes, all that good stuff. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!